In this first session, we're going to look forward to colleges that you can apply for if your CAT score is less than 80 percentile. Now, as discussed before too, why are we looking at this session? We are looking at this session because we want to be sure of which colleges we can get a call from based on the percentile that we have estimated, and be prepared for that as we look forward to the group discussion and the interview stages. If you have estimated your score to be above 80 percentile or above 90 percentile or above 95 percentile, then the videos of those colleges have been put up in the description. You can click on the link and watch those videos too. If you're interested in joining us for the VAT GDPI preparation, you can call us at 9282442221, and our counselor will be happy to help you out with all the details of the program. Before I start listing out the colleges, I just want to give you a word of caution that this is not an exhaustive list, because less than 80%, there are plenty of colleges that you can apply for. And the list that I have chosen here is a list of colleges which are based on reputation and the brand name of the college, the number of years that it has been in existence, and how consistent that placements have been. And we try to pick up the placement from their brochures, old reports that were with us from the previous years. We have also picked up some of those colleges which are specialized MBA programs which stand out in terms of the specialization that they offer to the students. So in their area, they are really good. Okay, so that's a way we have gone ahead. So we have, this is not an exhaustive list, because as I said, there are plenty of colleges below 80%. If your score is estimated to be above 80 percentile, then we had already come out with this list of colleges. But I would also urge you, if your score or percentile that you estimated is going to be somewhere 75 plus, it's a good idea to look at the 80 plus colleges also, because some of these colleges have a very broader range of cutoff. So for example, if you see here, you have TAPI, which goes at 80 percentile cutoff historically, or you have KJ Somaiya, which goes at 80. But there has been years where a KJ Somaiya cutoff has gone slightly lower than 80 percentile. So if you're, let's say, having a 78 or 79 percentile in your CAT, you should not miss out on a college like KJ Somaiya. So take a call whether you would like to apply for some of these colleges which are also at the border of somewhere about 80, 81 percentile. And there are plenty of colleges that we have listed down for you in the previous video, which was the session 3 video. Also keep in mind that while you're looking at these colleges, be sure to go to the college page, read through the college details, look at how old the college is, what is the reputation that this college carry, what kind of companies come into this campus, and how consistent their placements have been. It'll give you also a lot more idea about what kind of institutions have we listed here down here, and will also give you a lot more clarity before you apply to these colleges based on your CAT percentile. Also, as I have said before, apply, take a chance, keep your options open. It's a good idea to go for a lot more interview. If you have that aspiration college in hand, you will have some practice of a real-time interview even before you get into those colleges for which you are really aspiring to make it. It gives you a understanding of where you're going wrong and what is the gap that you need to fill before you get into that big interview that you want to really crack. So let's get into the list. If you look at this list is very exhaustive, because I've come out with about 3 different pages with 3 different set of colleges. The first list of colleges that I've listed down here are colleges which have consistently shown a record of having a placement of about 9 lakhs. And the first college here is the Xavier University Bhubaneswar HR program. This college also was there in the 80 plus list. Why I've put it here also is because for the Orissa domicile quota, the cutoff goes below 80 percentile for this college. And the placements are at 11.88. This is the best shot for anybody from Orissa to apply for, because it's an amazing university and it's a great brand name to have. And the HR program is really good and figures among the top 10. Apart from this, you have the SDA Bocconi, which also goes at the 11 lakh range. Bocconi is a good brand name, again, internationally acclaimed. It has got an Asia center here, and where the MBA programs cutoff goes below 80 percentile, and 11.43 is their placements as per their brochure. Then you have the IFMR, the Wellinger, which are both in the range of 9 to 10 lakhs. Both of them are, again, good brand name. In fact, the Wellinker's Mumbai campus is a very well-known campus, a sought-after college for a lot of Bombay University students. And these two are good programs to also look at. LBSIM, another college which was there in our 80 plus list, has got a lot of specialized programs like the finance management program, or the data science program, or the business analytics program, for which their cutoff goes below 80 percentile, but their placements happen together with their core branch itself. So which means there's an opportunity for all of you who are having less than 80 percentile to get into a college where you can do well and sit with the placement along with the rest of the students and crack the placement. And because you have a common placement pool there, right? Then you have the BIM Trichy, where you have a PGP MBA program where TN domicile quotas cutoff has gone below 80 percentile historically. A very old program. It is one of the oldest MBA program available in the country, and the average salaries go at about 9.5 lakhs. Another big name among the MBA colleges with a techno-managerial degree is the BITS Pilani. They have an MBA program in business analytics. Cutoff goes below 80 percentile, average salary goes at 9. Now, why I like this college is because it's not a core MBA program, it's a technology-based MBA program, which is business analytics program. And BITS Pilani is among the top 5 or 10 colleges in India when it comes to technology. So it's a great program to have, a very well-known brand with a lot of alumni base and also internationally acclaimed. So it's a college to gun for anybody who's looking at a BA program and would like to move into that techno-managerial kind of a course, but has got only a percentile lower than 80. Then you have Great Lakes and IMT Nagpur, which are new programs in the market, which has been there for 5-6 years now. Average goes at about 9 to 9.5 lakhs. And Great Lakes is a good brand name down south here, and IMT Nagpur is again a good brand name because of the Ghaziabad campus. So these are two colleges that you can look forward to. Also in the similar league is the MDI Murshidabad campus. MBA Murshidabad, again, average salary goes about 9 lakhs. So these are the other 3 colleges that you can look forward to, apart from Nirma, which is there in Ahmedabad, and where again the cutoff hovers around about 75 percentile. Now the next set of colleges is the colleges which range between 6 to 9 lakhs. And out of this, I have not picked up and made this list very exhaustive, because I picked up just colleges which are in the lower category, only colleges which are reputed. Okay, so we have the SOIL, the LIBA, the IMI's Bhubaneswar campus, the BIMTech Noida, ICFI Hyderabad, among the 8 lakh package colleges. ICFI Hyderabad campus also picks up students through the NMAT examination as well as the IBSAT exam. So these are the other 2 exams that you can write. Then the 7 lakh range, you have the IMT Hyderabad, you have NIT Trichy and SDM IMD Mysore. And in the 6 lakh category, you have IIS WBM and NIT Kozhikode. Why I picked up NIT here? These 2 NITs, the fees is pretty less because it's less than 5 lakh fees. And these are reasonably okay colleges to get into, and it has got a brand name. So if you're looking at a 6 to 7 lakh kind of a college and you are having somewhere about 70% as your CAT score, then it's a reasonably okay college to look forward to if you don't want to go ahead and attend the CAT for 1 more year. Same is the case with IIS WBM, people from East Calcutta who wants to do an MBA there, looking for a government college and wanting to look at a college which can give them kind of a return on investment. IIS WBM is another college that you can look forward to. Indian Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management. This particular college is also among one of the oldest colleges in this country. It has a long-standing history, and then it also has got a big alumni base out there in the market. Among the specialized programs, you have the Forest Management program at IIF, and then you have the ABM program, which is Agribusiness Management program at Manage Hyderabad, which are extremely reputed universities. Apart from that, you have the IIPM, which is Indian Institute of Plantation Management at Bangalore, the Xavier School of Sustainability at Bhubaneswar, and NAARM, which is National Academy for Agriculture Research and Management, which is at Hyderabad, are all reasonably good programs to look forward to if you're looking at colleges which are extremely specialized and you would like to get into that particular area, and that particular area like agribusiness, food business, sustainability management, plantation management excites you as a career. These are the list of colleges that I have put up for this particular session. I'll be coming out with another session where I'll also look at other set of colleges and the upcoming colleges for less than 80%. But as of now, if you're looking forward to apply for, then these colleges are all open. A lot of them are still open. So as you can see, SOIL, LIBA, IMI, all of them have opened up their application, and you can look forward to apply for these colleges and start your GD and interview preparation. If you want to join us for GD and interview preparation, call us at 9282442221. We have one of the best interview preparation modules in this country. We have got a great track record. Our conversion is almost 99%. So, which means we do a lot of intensive work with written ability tests, group discussions. We have multiple personal interviews which will be conducted with panel, without panel, one-to-one, and form filling assistant and SOP and essay editing. So call us at 9282442221 if you want to join us for the program. If you're looking forward to look at the cutoff of colleges with a CAT percentile of about 90, about 80, or about 95 percentile, or the NCOBC category, or the EWS, or the SC/ST category, then the list, the links of those videos are given in the description. So please visit those videos for details related to that particular category or percentiles. So thank you very much for watching. The session 5 will be NCOBC cutoffs, and you can go through that by clicking on the link at the description.